In this video, I'll show you how to hook up your speakers in the back of your Sony AV receiver. This receiver is a 5.1, so this is why we have 3 over here, plus 2, and the 1 is for the subwoofer over there. So if we go here, we have subwoofer out. It has 2 different ports, you see? Some subs only take 1 cable. If your subwoofer has only 1 cable, well, you're going to connect it in one of these. It does not matter which one you choose. The other one will stay empty. If your subwoofer takes 2 cable, well, you'll be able to connect them over here. Then we have speakers. It says over here that the front speakers, right and left, should be connected over there, and the center over here, and surround right, surround left over there. How do you connect them? Because as you see, it has 2 different types of connectors. For this example, I'll take these audio cables. Your speakers will always have one negative cable and one positive cable. How do you know which one is which? Well, you need to check on the back of your speaker. And on the back of your speaker, well, depending which model you have, you're going to see a plus sign and a minus sign. And most cables come in 2 different colors, or they're visually different. So over here, this one has a blue line, and while this one is simply white. So if you connect on the back of your speaker, the one with the blue line or the black line in the negative, well, once you come over here, you know that this is the negative. Now, I do not suggest you strip your cable the way these are done. You see, the exposed wire should not be larger than, let's say, a finger width. All the excess over here, I need to trim it. So let's start with the front right speaker. The red connector is for the positive, the black one for the negative. This speaker's, the negative connection is the one with the blue line. First, you're going to unscrew this part, so turn counterclockwise. And now we need to take the cable, the exposed part, and you're going to notice, let me tilt this, right over here, there is a space opening once you have unscrewed it. This is where the cable needs to go. So I'll take my cable, I'll stick it inside over here. And once I cannot push it anymore, I will tighten this screw back, turning it clockwise. Turn it completely so the cable does not move around. All right, very tight. And now you see, even if I'm pulling on it, it's not going anywhere. So we have connected the negative one. The positive is the same thing. We're going to unscrew this end. And by the way, if you don't want to do this, you can have some banana plugs. That's how they are called. And those banana plugs, what they do, well, you connect this wire to the banana plug, and other side of that plug goes directly in the front here. Okay, so you don't have to do what I'm showing you. It's an easier method to connect speakers because you just plug them right over there. So let me unscrew here the positive, and same thing, you're going to connect the wire through the opening that is over here, but there's also one on the top if you prefer. It's up to you to choose. Same thing for the negative, but it's a bit harder to do it from the top on the negative. I'll put the cable inside, and then I'll screw it once I'm done. All right, tight. And now you can pull slightly on this cable, move it around, make sure that the cables are not coming out. And as I said before, you should not have any exposed wiring coming out of this port. If you have removed the coating of your cable till here and everything over there is exposed, that's not a good idea, because if your cable, let's say, are touching over time, you know, you move the receiver, you pull it out, pull it in of the casing. Well, if this cable touches the negative one, because both are exposed, well, you risk a short circuit, and yeah, this is very bad. You can damage many things and even cause fires, so don't do that. And once you finish here, do the same thing for the front left speaker. Now, for these ones, it's a bit different. Actually, it's much easier to connect the negative cable. Okay, let's say this one. All you have to do is to press this, I don't know how you call it, a latch, a release latch, I don't know. Just press on it. It will open over there, glide your cable all the way in and release the latch. It will trap it and it will not move. Same thing with the positive. Open the latch, glide the cable all the way inside like that. Put back the latch, and here you go. If I move the cables, nothing is happening. They don't go anywhere. As you see, there's quite a lot of exposed wiring. This is not good, as I said before, because as you see, let's say over time again, this receiver moves. There's a bunch of cables over. Well, they risk touching together and causing a short circuit. So I'll have to trim this exposed wiring if I want to connect them over there. Do the same for the surround right and surround left. The negative on the bottom and the positive up there. But overall, this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please drop a comment down below. Take 2 seconds, write any comments you want. I'll try to read them. It's supporting my channel this way. Leave a like, subscribe. If you have anything to say, again, type a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.